Hey there, all you aspiring investors and adventure seekers. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate gateway to the exhilarating world of real estate investing. If you're eager to discover why real estate is the goldmine of opportunities, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're about to embark on an eye-opening journey, unveiling the top 4 compelling reasons why real estate is hands down the best investment you can make. So, fasten your seatbelts, because this is going to be an epic ride. The first reason, hedging against inflation. Real estate is not just an investment, it's a supercharged shield against the invisible villain known as inflation. Picture this. As time passes, the value of paper currency gradually erodes due to the relentless force of inflation. But fear not, for real estate is here to save the day. Let me paint you a vivid picture. Imagine you were a kid 20 years ago, and with just a few dollars, you could treat yourself to a delicious McDonald's meal. Ah, those were the days. But fast forward to today, and that same meal costs 3 times as much. This sneaky inflation silently eats away at the purchasing power of our money over the years. I still remember when I purchased my first property back in 2011. Since then, it's doubled in value. But here's the jaw-dropping revelation. Upon looking at a comprehensive property report, I discovered that it was even cheaper in 1993, costing only 1/3 of what I paid. Now, let's dive deeper into this time travel of wealth appreciation. Back in school, what did they teach us about money? Not much, right? Money is merely a medium of exchange, representing an approximate value at a specific time of exchange. It's like a constantly shifting sand, never constant, always fluctuating. But here's the game-changing strategy. Instead of telling our kids to save money, we should teach them to preserve the value and purchasing power. That's where real estate shines. While some might argue that gold is a better investment, real estate emerges as the true champion. Consider gold, for instance. Sure, it holds value, but it doesn't generate income. Plus, there's a carrying cost involved. You need to store it, and that incurs expenses. There's also a risk of theft or loss. But with real estate, it's a different story altogether. Real estate not only appreciates in value over time, but it also provides a regular stream of income through rent. It's like having a thriving money-making machine that never stops. And guess what? As inflation causes the value of money to dwindle, the demand for real estate increases, further boosting its value. The second reason, financial leverage. Let's unveil the heart-pounding concept of financial leverage, the secret sauce that turbocharges your real estate investments. Imagine you've set your sights on a fantastic property worth $100,000, the perfect addition to your investment portfolio. Now here's where the magic begins. Instead of solely relying on your own savings, real estate offers you the game-changing opportunity to leverage other people's money. We're talking about the bank. Let's say you decide to put down a 15% down payment, which amounts to $15,000. The remaining $85,000 can be borrowed from the bank in the form of a mortgage. Here's the incredible part. You've managed to control an asset worth $100,000 with just a fraction of the actual cost. This is the power of financial leverage at play. With a small portion of your own capital, you've unlocked access to an asset that's worth much more than what you initially invested. It's like having a key that opens doors to immense wealth-building opportunities. Let's crunch the numbers, shall we? Imagine your rental income from the property covers all the expenses and mortgage interests. If the property appreciates by 5% annually, that means its value has increased by $5,000 after a year. Now, let's calculate your return on investment. Your initial investment was $15,000, and the property's growth is $5,000. Dividing $5,000 by $15,000 gives you a jaw-dropping 33.3% return. But wait, it gets even better. Let's say the property's value shoots up by 10% after a year. This means it has grown by $10,000. Now, your return on investment is a mind-boggling 66.6%. Now, compare these staggering returns with traditional investments like the stock market. While the stock market can be volatile, real estate's potential for substantial growth and returns is unmatched. Again, The concept of financial leverage in real estate is like having a turbocharged engine in your investment journey. By utilizing this superpower wisely, you can magnify your financial return and achieve your dreams of financial freedom much sooner. The third reason, cash flow. Cash flow, my friends, is the lifeline of every successful investment. And real estate knows how to keep that lifeline pumping. Unlike barren vacant lands, income-producing properties like residential and commercial spaces generate a steady stream of cash flow. It's like having a reliable oxygen supply to keep your investment thriving. Let's say you've purchased a residential property with multiple units, and the total monthly rent collected from tenants is $5,000. Now let's factor in all the monthly expenses, including property taxes, maintenance, and mortgage payments, which total $3,000. After deducting the expenses from the rental income, you're left with $2,000 of positive cash flow each month. That's $24,000 of additional income pouring into your pocket annually without doing much at all. This consistent cash flow acts like a lifeline for your investment, providing you with the financial oxygen you need to cover the property's running costs and ensuring you don't suffocate under the burden of expenses. Here's the beauty of cash flow in real estate. It's not just a temporary cash injection. Income-producing properties continue to generate a steady flow of cash month after month, year after year. It's like having a resilient money-making machine that never stops. But wait, there's more. Cash flow not only covers your expenses, but also grants you financial freedom to reinvest in your portfolio or fund other ventures. It's the key to building a robust and diversified investment empire. Plus, in times of economic uncertainty or unexpected expenses, cash flow serves as your financial safety net. While other investments may falter during market downturns, real estate's income-producing properties keep providing you with the stability and assurance you need. The fourth reason, control. Let's talk about control, that powerful ability to make decisions and shape your investment destiny. Imagine this. You've taken the plunge and become a real estate owner. You now hold the keys to your investment destiny, and it's entirely up to you how you want to steer your real estate ship. As the captain of your property, you have the authority to decide how you want to utilize your investment. Want to lease it out fully and enjoy a steady stream of rental income? Absolutely. Looking to use it as your personal vacation getaway for a few months? Go ahead. The power of control extends beyond occupancy too. Want to renovate the property and add value to it? You can. Want to paint the walls any color that inspires you? It's entirely your choice. With real estate, you have the creative freedom to tailor your investment to your preferences and goals. But it doesn't stop there. The beauty of control in real estate goes hand in hand with financial decision-making. You have the authority to adjust rent rates strategically to maximize your cash flow. You can analyze the market and make smart investment choices, expanding your portfolio with properties that align with your vision. Now, let's compare this level of control with other investments like stocks. When you invest in shares of a company, you're essentially a passive shareholder. You have no say in how the company operates, no control over dividends or corporate decisions. But with real estate, it's a whole new ballgame. As an investor, you have the power to make informed decisions and directly impact the performance of your investment. For instance, let's say your rental property is in a prime location and the market demand is high. You have the freedom to capitalize on this opportunity by raising the rent to maximize your returns. On the other hand, if you foresee a downturn in the market, you can proactively adjust your strategy to maintain a strong occupancy rate and preserve your cash flow. Moreover, real estate lets you put your personal touch on your investment. It's like having a canvas where you can craft your dream investment masterpiece. From deciding on property improvements that enhance value to implementing eco-friendly features for sustainability, you're the creative director of your real estate venture. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the 4 mighty reasons why real estate reigns supreme in the world of investments. From hedging against inflation, utilizing financial leverage for sky-high returns, enjoying a continuous flow of cash, to having the reins of control firmly in your grasp, real estate is your gateway to financial freedom. If you're eager for more tips, tricks, and life-changing insights on real estate investing, hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of thriving investors. Until next time, stay empowered and keep chasing those real estate dreams.